do a video, a bike check. I guess we'll start off on the frame. I have a Eastern Shovelhead. I took the sticker off, so can't really tell. But I have ODI long necks. They feel really comfortable. I got stock bars that came with the bike. The color I just hate. I have Animal purple straight cable, white nitrous stem. It's pretty good. I really recommend it. I love it. It's one of my favorite stems I've had. I have Miracle forks are off the Miracle Gargoyle off one of my videos of my friend's bike, the custom BMX bike. It's his forks. He got new ones, so he gave them to me. I got Animal GLH tire for the front and back. I have just some rim. I'm getting stolen something. Oh, stolen revolvers. I have Animal strip seat. I have a nitrous seat post, but you just can't see the name. I have stock cranks. I hate the color on these two. I'm gonna paint my bars and my cranks blue or black. I don't know what one yet. Give me a comment and tell me what you guys think I should do. I think I already said the seat, the Animal strip seat, GHL. This is the back rim that came with the bike. It's double wall, I know that, but I already bent it in 3 places. The hub keeps falling apart right now, and plus it has no hub sound anymore, if you could listen. It doesn't even run right. Gotta get new rims. I'm getting my 2 rims in blue. I have a Sabrosa Shield sprocket. It's awesome. It's really good. I have the stock chain. Eastern pedals. And that's pretty much... Oh, I forgot. I got stock bottom brackets. And then I have stock headset. And that's my bike check. Comment on what color you think I should paint the brown bars and the brown cranks. Give me an opinion. This is the bike. The forks I'm probably gonna paint. Give me an opinion on them too. So the bars, the red forks, and the crank arms. Give me an opinion what color you think I should paint them. I'm getting blue rims, black spokes, and black hub. So just give me an opinion. Thanks for watching.